Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate AI UGC videos in CapCut. So to do that, it's pretty easy. I'm going to show you step by step. You just have to open up the CapCut application and tap on text, which is on the bottom left corner of the screen. Then tap on add text, which is the first option again. And when you have your text box that is showing the text that you would like your video to say, you just have to select the text box and tap on AI avatars on the bottom of the screen.
Hey,
In this menu, you have multiple niches and options that you can choose from, but for UGC content, you just have to swipe to the right side and you will find this one. And as you can see, there are lots and lots of natural looking videos that look like just some selfie videos generated by users. So yeah, it's pretty easy to use. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.